Hey everyone, so today's video I'm going to do this look, but I'm going to do it in like a pink and a purple to match my hair, and I'm going to be using this Inglot palette because the pink and the purple in this, it is a little bit wet, so ignore that, but the pink and the purple in this I think matches really well to the pink and the purple in my hair. But I just noticed as I start to film, my camera is gonna die. It only has like a bar left, so I'm just gonna do one side. I'm gonna do like the pink side or else the purple side, and then I'm gonna come back on, charge my camera for a few minutes because I just want to start this now. I don't want to wait. So whatever I do on one side, I'm gonna do the exact same on the other. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be back with one half done in 3, 2, 1. So that's one eye done already with the pearls and everything in place. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. So using the white drug, let's start that again. Using Drug Lord by Jeffree Star's Cosmetics Liquid Velour. I use that to cover my brows before putting the colour on. Just to help give me a little bit of a base before applying on the pink and the purple. So this side is actually the pink, the other side is the purple. So all I'm using for this is a Morphe's palette and some highlighter from Makeup Revolution. Sorry about the mess in the background, there's nothing I can do about it, it's already there. I was going to crop it out, but look, sure, here it's there now and it's already here. So I didn't do like a really strong cut crease or anything because it was more the eyes and the lips and the nose, and it was just a whole clown effect. I didn't really need to, I felt, and the highlighter was covering it really well. So then I just used white pearls, and on some of them I added some pink eyeshadow, and on some of them I added some purple eyeshadow. And I really liked the way this came out. It came out kind of different to the way I thought it was going to come out, but I still thought it was pretty cute, and I've really shortened this video down so that you can just see as much as you can. So yeah, so this was all out of the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette. As well, they have some really good shades in that. So pink and purple just on each side of my lips, and added some pearls around as well. And I blended them slightly together. So then my hair I had already had pre-curled. So what I did then was I just left some out at the front and did 2 ponytails. And just kind of left the curls as it is, added a bit of back combing to each side just to kind of fluff it up a little and make it look a little bit more cute, scary, because I'm pretty sure this should still be scary if like it was at your front door. So then I just went in and recurled the front just to make sure that they were super curly. And yeah, so then I went in with more pearls around my lips. As you can see here, they came with some more pearls around my lips, some pink and some purple, back combed, add a little bit of gloss, and that was really it. It was like a really quick and really simple outfit. You could wear anything with this. You could go all black, you could wear a cute pink purple top. Oh, the camera nearly fell. I had so many bloopers that day. My camera just kept falling over, and it's because I got a new lens and the lens is kind of bigger. But yeah, so then after adding the gloss, that was kind of it, just a few lashes. Envy by Sosu, I believed I used for these ones, and just added a little bit to my neck just to make it look a little bit cuter. But it was like a last minute thing, so it's not perfect. But yeah, so that's the whole tutorial. I hope you've enjoyed it. I haven't said already, but please like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I really hope you're enjoying all the videos I'm posting because I'm putting so much work into them, and really appreciate if you just give this a thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Check me out on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok, and I'll see you again.